We're explaining why you might get a connection timeout expired error when adding a new server in pgAdmin 4. This frustrating issue usually boils down to a few key problems. 1. Incorrect server address or port. Double-check that you've entered the correct IP address or hostname for your PostgreSQL server. A simple typo can cause this error. Also, verify that the port number, default is 5432, but it could be different, matches what your server is using. 2. Network connectivity. Make sure your computer can actually reach the PostgreSQL server. Is the server running? Is there a firewall blocking the connection? Check your network configuration and try pinging the server's IP address from your computer's command prompt or terminal. If the ping fails, the problem is likely network-related. If the ping works but pgAdmin still fails, the firewall might be to blame. 3. PostgreSQL server status. Ensure your PostgreSQL server is actually running. You'll usually find a service manager, like the Services app on Windows or systemctl on Linux, to verify this. If the server isn't running, start it and then try connecting again in pgAdmin. 4. PostgreSQL configuration. The PostgreSQL server itself might have connection limits or other settings that prevent your connection. Check your write single quote postgresql.conf. Write single quote file for settings like max_connections and listen_addresses. Make sure listen_addresses is set to for all addresses, or the specific IP address pgAdmin is connecting from. Also, check the write single quote pg_hba.conf write single quote file. This file controls which clients can connect and how. 5. pgAdmin. Configuration. While less common, ensure pgAdmin itself isn't encountering issues. Check your pgAdmin settings. There might be a proxy setting that's interfering, and temporarily disabling this could help isolate if it's a problem with pgAdmin or the network. 6. Incorrect credentials. Verify that the username and password you're providing pgAdmin are correct, and that the user has the necessary privileges to connect to the database. A minor case sensitivity issue in the username can cause this error. 7. Driver issues. In rare cases, there might be a problem with the PostgreSQL driver pgAdmin is using. Try updating the driver or reinstalling pgAdmin to rule this out. By systematically investigating these potential issues, you'll be much more likely to pinpoint the reason for the connection timeout expired error and resolve it, allowing you to connect to your PostgreSQL server in pgAdmin. Remember to restart pgAdmin and the PostgreSQL server after making any configuration changes.